Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is only me, no babe and no Tyler. And the reason for that is because I'm coming today to give you guys my 16 weeks pregnancy update. As you guys can see my little bump. But also babe is out of town. He's away in Paris on a business trip and Tyler is at school, so I just decided that hey, let me just do this video and get it out of the way, even though you guys will see babe in some of the upcoming updates, but you guys getting fresh face today, no makeup, just the baby glow. And I actually washed my hair last night, so my hair is all in twist out, and I have my hat on ever since I dropped Tyler off to school, yada yada yada. That why am I telling you all that? So I still have my hat on. Anyway, you guys, first, before I get into this video, I just want to tell you guys thank you guys so much for all the love that we've been getting ever since we announced our pregnancy. And thank you guys for 8,000 plus subscribers. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. We're at 8,000 plus subscribers, and that's so awesome. Yeah, and thank you to everybody for just sending us love on our Facebook page, on Instagram, on here on YouTube. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, which I post so many pictures, you guys can go below in the description box. The link will be there. You guys can go and follow me on Instagram and all that. And welcome to all our new subscribers. We have a few hundred new subscribers, so welcome you guys. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give you guys my 16 weeks pregnancy update right now and just tell you guys what's up. If you guys see me looking down, that's because I have my notes here in my book, and I have my phone also to assist me. So as of today, I am 16 weeks and 3 days. 16 weeks and 3 days, and I use this app on my phone that helps me, that is called Flow. It's actually the same app that I use to get pregnant. It's the same app I use to know my ovulation and stuff like that, and it's the same app, just transition into the pregnancy mode, so I still uses it. I'm gonna tell you what it says about my 16 weeks. So it's basically said that your stomach is growing. Well, can you see? It is really growing. And so are your breasts. That's facts. It's evident. You are gradually gaining weight. You should put on about 4.4 to 8.9 lbs. I'm not so sure about that, because really, when I was pregnant with Tyler, most of my weight was in my face, so I didn't really gain much weight. If you see me from behind when I was pregnant with Tyler, you couldn't tell that I was pregnant unless you were in front of me. And I think with this baby, it's kind of going to be the same, because I haven't really gained much weight apart from my face become really plumpy, which babe enjoy, because he love when my cheek is like this. So I don't know, but since I'm only 16 weeks, I don't know if that will change, but that's what's up with my weight. It says that now it's time to start using an anti-stretch mark product to decrease the risk of getting them on your belly, thighs, and breasts. And they didn't have to remind me, because with Tyler I use extra virgin olive oil to rub on my stomach, and the only place I got stretch marks was just around my navel and I got that in the very end, and it fades away when after Tyler was born. And I've been using it since about 3 weeks ago. I started using it, and I'm gonna tell you the reason why I really started using it again when I reached the symptoms, which is what I'm going to get in now. Yeah, so that's basically that for baby D is growing. And so many people even on my Instagram ask me, why do you call the baby D? Is it that because you already have a name for the baby and you already know the sex of the baby? One, I call it baby D because Delaveau is our surname, and we don't have a name for the baby yet because we don't know the gender, and we don't want to look for name until we know the gender. So I just call the baby D because I don't know what to refer to the baby as. So that's just a nickname, baby D, and the D is just from our name. So there's nothing else attached to that. Okay, let's talk about symptoms. Symptoms. My breasts are so tender that even my husband can touch them. TMI. Maybe that's just too much for you, but hey, if you're watching this video mean you're interested in some kind of pregnancy news. So my breasts, they're very tender, and as the app says, they're growing, which is right. Like I said, I'm gonna tell you why I started using back my olive oil, and this is because of a symptom that I noticed that I'm having now with this pregnancy that I didn't have with Tyler, and that's bumps is on my back like crazy, and they itch so bad. So each time that I shower, I have to use the olive oil and rub on all over my body, really, just to make me feel better and to make the itching go away. So I have been using my olive oil for that, and because I'm using it for the bumps in my back and it's helping, it makes the scratch really ease and stop. And I also just use it on my stomach. So I've been using the olive oil and it's working for me. So another symptom that I am having was vomiting. Since I jumped into my second trimester, the vomiting is gone, so thank God for that. The vomiting is gone. Listen, smell, it doesn't really matter how low the scent is, this nose is not having it, okay? I sniff out everything and everything just smells extra high to me, and I just can't take it. So the smell this time around is crazy in comparison with Tyler, and it's just getting crazy with this smell. Okay, another symptom that I noticed that I'm having now that I never used to have before I became pregnant is headaches. I'll just have some random headaches sometimes that become so bad. I don't like to take tablets. When I say I don't like to take tablet, mean even though my doctor gave me the okay go ahead for painkillers for the headache, Dafalgon is what it's called in French, that I can take that painkiller. I used to take it with Tyler, and this time around the doctor prescribed the same. I really still don't like to take it. I like to wait it out when my head is hurting me and to rest and to see if it's gonna go away. But sometimes it becomes so bad, I try to rest and I have to wake up in the night and say, babe, no, I need that tablet. I can't take this headache anymore. So I'm having some really severe headaches, which sometimes I really just have to take the tablet. Another symptom that I've been having was appetite loss. I couldn't eat anything while I was pregnant. I had to force myself, and when I do ended up eating it, it take me hours to eat it, and sometimes I guarantee you that I'll vomit. But that, now that I'm in my second trimester and into the 16th week, that is going away and my appetite is coming back. So that is good. My appetite is slowly coming back, and that is good. Yeah, so that's kind of most of the symptoms that I've been having. Let's jump into cravings. If you guys don't know and are new to my channel, then you guys are gonna know now that I'm Jamaican. Probably you can sense my Jamaican accent. I have been wanting my Jamaican food non-stop, and it's crazy because that's the only thing that I can eat that makes me feel okay. And if you watches the vlogs, then you guys will know that I have been eating a lot of plantain, a lot of boiled dumplings and boiled banana and ackee and sawfish. I despise chicken. I want nothing to do with chicken these days, and before I was pregnant I eat chicken almost every day. So the cravings right now is more kind of green fried pressed plantain and eggs. Also, I have to cut back on the eggs because mates, I don't know if it's true, they say that egg kind of contribute to jaundice. So if that is true, probably you guys can comment down below and let me know if that's a fact. So I really try, I think it's the yolk that is where most of it contribute to jaundice is from. So I really don't, I try to cut back on the egg yolk as much as possible, but I can't stop eating eggs. I try to cut back, but yeah. So I've been wanting Jamaican snacks, which my best friend, hey girl, love you for sending me all those snacks. She sent me a box of Jamaican snacks, so those will last me for a while. And I want Jamaican patty. And I know a lot of people said, Mel, you can cook, you're a chef, why don't you make it? It's not the same. I need the real yummy, juicy, hot, that's what I need. I need it from the original spot. I know I can make it. I've done it before. It's on my food channel. And if you guys don't know that I have a food channel, yes, I do. The link is down below in the description box. So you guys can go ahead and check that out. Yes, I can make it, but it doesn't taste like the original. When I say I want something, I need the original, okay? So I appreciate you guys giving me options, but I need the original. I need the real thing. Okay, so yeah, that's just basically where my cravings at the moment. Let's see, I will still take naps right now, but my naps are not as severe as when I was like 8 weeks or in the early part or the first trimester. My naps, I can go through the day without taking a nap. It only means that I'm going to be in bed by 9 o'clock. After I put Tyler to bed, that's it for me. I'm out. So if I don't take my naps in the day, like one nap, then I'm off to bed early, basically. Okay, let's see. As far as exercising, I haven't resumed yet, to be honest. I just make sure I walk at least 30 minutes every day. But I think after my next doctor appointment, I'm really going to start exercise. And I know you guys are going to say, Mel, you need to take it easy and remember that you had a miscarriage and all that. But I know when I say exercise, I don't mean I'm going to go nothing close to what I used to be. Because you guys know that when I work out, I go all out. So it won't be nothing like it used to be. So I'll just walk on my treadmill slowly and probably just use some light weights and stuff like that. But I think I'll resume working out back soon. And as I see my water beside me, another symptom that I was experiencing was constipation, and this is the water that helped me. No, this is not an ad. This water in French is called EPA, and it have magnesium in it. And listen, it works magic. Ever since I started using it with my constipation, I started going to the bathroom easily now. I go to the bathroom every day now, and sometime about 3-4 days that would pass and I wouldn't go to the bathroom. And when I am to go to the bathroom after that, girl, the struggle is real. And it was the same with Thailand, and I remember that this is the water that I use with Thailand. It helped. So I resumed back to this water. And this is another thing. Whew, I become winded so easily, and I just have to calm it down sometime, especially when I speak. I have to take my time because I get really tired. Okay, the next thing I should tell you guys is that when it comes to Tyler, he's still a mama's boy. He's still loving me. He's in love with my stomach. He rubs my stomach every single minute he gets. He kisses it. He doesn't go to bed without he pray for the baby and kiss the baby, and he's just all over mama. So that haven't changed. I don't know if it will change as time goes by, but for him, nothing really changed. He's still a mama's boy. He still wants his cuddles. He still wants to come in my bed. He's still a mama boy, basically. And he's also still a papa's boy. He still loves his papa. He still wants papa to play with him and all those things. And like I said, no, we don't have any name as yet for baby D, because we find out the gender in a week. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited to find out the gender. But with all the myths and all the signs happening with me and comparing with Tyler, everything in me is telling me that it's a boy, and I'm okay with that. Though you guys know that I would love to have a girl because I already have a boy, I'm okay if I have a boy. I'm still gonna be happy. It's still a blessing. Why? Because Tyler will have his bestie, and that will mean everything. I'm gonna ball regardless, whatever the gender is. And of course, we'll give you guys a gender reveal. So by the end of next week, you guys should have a gender reveal and know what baby D is. And that should be exciting to be sharing the news with all of you guys. Am I leaving out anything when it comes on to my 16 weeks? Belly shot. Let me show you guys what my stomach is looking like at the moment. That stomach here, everybody says, girl, you're gonna be so big because your stomach is already so big. But this stomach have a mind of its own. This morning I'll wake up and it looks smaller, and then the next time I wake up and it looks so big. And with this, the way it's looking right now, I just finished having breakfast, so you guys are seeing a full stomach, no hungry stomach, so it's basically full. So yeah, that's what my 16-week stomach is looking like. There goes the belly shot. Yes. Okay, you guys, so yeah, that's it for my 16 weeks update. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and like I said, thank you guys for all the love and all the support and all the continued blessings and all the prayers that's been sending our way, because you guys know that this baby is a rainbow baby. We had a miscarriage before, so this one is really extra special to us. Yeah, so thank you guys for all the continued love, and we love you guys. We're sending back the same positive vibes your way. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video here, and I'll see you guys on Monday in our next vlog with the boys. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe if you are new to the fam bam. Join the fam bam. We love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.